Hi everyone, so today we're gonna learn how you can change your Shopify store currency. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so in this Shopify tutorial, we're gonna learn how you can change your Shopify store currency. Right now we have Euro. We want to change it to USD, American dollars. So to do this, just go to your admin. When you're right here, you can go down to this one, settings, to the left bottom. Then go to general. Okay, so go down to standards and formats. You see this one, currency. So right now we have Euro. Click on the drop down menu. And here you see all the currencies you can choose from. So in this case, I'm gonna choose United States dollars, USD. Then click on save. Okay, so let's go and have a look. Go to the store. Go to the product. And now we have USD dollars. So this is how you can change your Shopify store currency to your own currency in your own country. So I hope this helped. Okay everyone, so I hope this was helpful. If you want more of these tutorials, you can just subscribe right here. And if you want to check out my latest video, just click on this image right here. Okay, so I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.